Giganotosaurus. Bigger than T-Rex in length, built to chase down giant herbivores. Champion at number 1, Tyrannosaurus rex. Massive bite force, strong jaws, crushing teeth that could bite through bone. Wow, fact time. Some dinos could bite harder than a modern crocodile. Others had armor like medieval knights, and one used its tail like a club. These ancient giants ruled with strength and surprises. Which dino would win a tickle fight? Probably none. They'd stomp instead.